Welcome. Let's begin by settling in. You can close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or soften your gaze and find a spot to gently focus on. Allow yourself to arrive, not just in this moment, but into yourself. Take a slow breath in and a long, relaxed breath out. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your body be just as it is. There's nothing to fix, nothing to do, just this moment, just this breath. Now begin to notice what's here. Without trying to change anything, simply bring gentle awareness to your body. Maybe you feel warmth, tension, stillness, maybe even nothing at all, and that's okay too. Let yourself be curious. You might say quietly in your mind, "I'm just noticing." Now, I invite you to imagine a place that feels completely safe to you. It might be a real place you've been, or somewhere you create in your imagination. It could be a cozy cabin, a sunlit forest, a quiet beach, a cloud in the sky, anything at all. Let it form naturally in your mind. Notice what the ground feels like beneath you. What sounds are in the air? What colors surround you? Is there sunlight, shade, a breeze? What do you smell, taste, or touch? There's no right or wrong. This place belongs only to you. Let it feel like home. You can return here anytime you need. This space is always available inside of you. You are safe here. You are welcome here. Everything inside you is welcome here. As you rest in this space, notice what gently rises to the surface. A sensation in your chest, a fleeting thought, an image, a whisper of emotion you can't quite name. These aren't random. They may be parts of you, small, meaningful aspects of your inner world. Each one has its own voice, its own story, its own way of being. You might sense a part that's curious, leaning forward with interest, eager to understand. Or maybe a part that's tired, weary from holding so much for so long. There could be a skeptical part nearby, one with its arms crossed, unsure about all of this, and that's okay. Skepticism is just another form of protection. Maybe there's a hopeful part, one that dares to believe something new might be possible, or a quiet one, soft and shy, watching from the edges. All of these parts are welcome. They don't need to speak, they don't need to perform, they don't need to change. You're not here to fix them. You're simply here to be with them, to let them know, I see you, I hear you, I'm here. If it feels right, you might even say silently to your parts, you don't have to do anything today, just be. This isn't about solving or sorting, there's no rush. This is just the beginning, the start of building trust, the start of offering presence instead of pressure. And because within you is a whole inner community, and each part, no matter how big or small, deserves to be known, understood, and gently loved. You are not broken. You are not too much. You are simply many, and all of you belongs. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, And if any parts joined you today, you can thank them too. Tell them that you will be coming back to visit with them in the future, and you appreciate everything they do to keep you safe. You can return to your safe place whenever you like. It's yours, always here, always waiting. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Wiggle your fingers or toes gently, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back.